Yeah, get up, play the iPod. Janine, take your picture. Janine must take a picture of you with the iPad.
With the video. As long as you're lying, that's gonna see it.
Come over closer. Key noise. Is it? Key genius. What's that?
I don't know if she knows what she's doing. Or she's picking things.
Cool.
She changes the aesthetic of it. She knows exactly what the music one does.
And she turns it sideways and everything. When something is sideways, she turns it sideways.
Find some music. Do game.
She's playing a game.
Playing game. Angry Birds.
I didn't even know what that was.
See?
Oh, strange little thing.
Don't mind it.
Now you're being a baby again. Battery's dying.
She's going on YouTube.
She is though.
The problem is I can't tell her I don't like it because I think I wrote something in my wedding vows about loving her no matter what. But if it was to come from someone else, say like another woman,